Hey guys, you're here for another instalment from Force 15. This is update 7 on Cyclone Fantala as of 2030 local time RET, where Fantala is currently located, 1630 UTC. The storm's located at 11.9 degrees south, 55.3 degrees east, with winds of 165 miles per hour, category 5 on the Saffir-Simpson scale, with a pressure of 911 millibars. Storm's movement west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. We're expecting the storm to intensify yet more, possibly to a fairly significant Category 5 system on its approach to Madagascar, before bumping north just a little bit before it's hard to predict at the moment. The models are all over the place. It's not that it is really hard to predict. There's a really big kind of uncertainty from the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre, as you'll see in this forecast map here. It's a very big cone of uncertainty. The JTWC Navy don't know where the hell it is going at the moment. Mauritius and I've been saying for most of the updates, Mauritius and Reunion and definitely Madagascar should be watching the progress of this system. The spiral bands are already affecting Madagascar at this time, so it's going to make a more closer approach. So Madagascar should be watching the system, and as you can see there, parts of the outer spiral bands are already over the coast of Madagascar as we speak. There's the visible imagery. You can see the clouded in eye, but I believe that's opening up again in the last few frames. If you look on RAM, there's some animated GIFs from the Satellite Service Division, and then here you can see the rainbow imagery, and a little bits of white popping up there a little bit, so it's even cooler cloud tops there in the rainbow imagery. So it's a significant sign that the storm is intensifying. Even though the official advisory has the storm still at 150 miles per hour, us as a team now, and also my own advisory as well, using the Dvorak technique, as you can see in the imagery here. I have now put this storm up to a Category 5 system, and you see in the Dvorak imagery very comfortably into T6, which is a Category 5. So it's a developing story here. And as you can see here, the AVN imagery, again very intense in the core of the system. The eye just needs to open up, and I think the Navy should designate this system as a Category 5 system, 140 knots plus. I have this storm at 145 knots, 165 miles per hour. And as you can see, the AVN imagery, again very, very intense there. Actually reminded me somewhat of Winston over Fiji earlier this year, and it's breathtaking, and I don't know how the Navy cannot have put this system up yet. Water vapour imagery there. Water vapour is not a problem for the system. Very moist air all around the system at this time, and it is ridiculous that the JTWC have not, and Navy as well, haven't put it up. So next you can see the sea surface temperatures. I know it's not dotted on here, but it is around about 28 to 29 degrees Celsius, maybe even 30, where the system is currently located. But you can also see a little bit of a cold water trail developing in the centre of the image there, following Fantala. Coming out of the system now, coming out of the season, sorry, in the Southern Hemisphere now. It's the equivalent of October down there. It's quite late in the season. Here you can see the wind shear maps. Wind shear not impeding Fantala in any way whatsoever, and it has also sort of done a Patricia really, as in the sense of that it's actually shielded itself with its own spiral bands from the wind shear. So wind shear is not really that much of a problem at this time for Fantala. So it's got everything going for it really. And here's the new feature that I'm including now, the intensity forecasts. So plus 12, I have 170 miles per hour, 900 millibars, located at 10.9 degrees south, 54.2 east. 24, 180 miles per hour, 895 millibars, located at 11.0 degrees south, 53.8 degrees east. Plus 36, 180 again, slightly up, 899 millibars, 11.4 south, 53.6 east. Plus 48, 175 miles per hour, 900 millibars, located at 11.7 degrees south, 53.6 degrees east. 72, 160 miles per hour, 905 millibars, 12.1 degrees south, 54.0 degrees east. Plus 96, 150, 920 millibars, 12.6 to south, 54.4 east. And then the last one at plus 120, 145 miles per hour, 935 millibars, 13.2 degrees south, and 56.6 degrees east. So just to reiterate that update again, Cyclone Fantala update 7 as of 20:30 local time RET, 16:30 UTC. Storms located at 11.9 degrees south, 53.3 degrees east, with winds of 165 miles per hour, air pressure of 911 millibars, category 5 on the Saffir-Simpson scale, moving west-northwest at 12 miles an hour. Anyway, that's all from me now. Thank you guys for watching. This is Force 15 signing off.